Everyone, this is Twisted Tea. I wanted to show you guys how to find the IP address of a network printer on a Mac. The simplest way to do this is to open up System Preferences and then go to Printers and Scanners. And on the left-hand side, you'll see your printers listed. Select the one that you want and then look under Location. You might have your IP address here. If you do, you can just take that IP address, open up Safari, put it in the address bar, and you're off on your way. In this case, we don't. So let me show you how we get around that. What we'll do is we'll open up Safari, and I have all the information here in TextEdit. I'm going to copy this, localhost:631. And then I will paste it right into the address bar of Safari. This will bring up CUPS. This is the printing system behind the Mac operating system. I'm going to click on Printers here, and you'll notice that the web interface is disabled. This is for security reasons. So it tells you actually right here to enable it, run this command. So I have it here in TextEdit again. But in order to run that command, we need to open up Terminal. So let's go over here to Spotlight. And I'll just type in TER, brings up Terminal, hit Enter. And this brings up Terminal. I'll go ahead and copy this next command. And I'll paste it. We'll hit Enter. So then I'll come back to Safari, and if I hit refresh here, you'll notice that it brings up my list of printers. You might see the IP address listed here in Location. If not, just go over here and click on your printer. And now you'll see that the IP address here is listed. And then you can take this IP address, copy it into the address bar, and you can get into your printer that way. In order to shut this off for security reasons, all you have to do is go back to Terminal, hit the up arrow key, and change the yes to no. Hit Enter. Now I'll go back to Safari. I'll hit refresh, and it goes right back to disabled. I hope this helps. See you guys soon.